Presenting the Buick 2017 Regal Turbo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 7 speakers, 7-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, radio, Buick IntelliLink AM/FM stereo, single-slot CD MP3 player and Sirius XM satellite radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.